Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tushtita. So, what I'm doing today? Today's weekend, and I'm moving out for the fourth time. I'm so tired and so exhausted. Like, the entire place is such a mess. I just can't wait to go to my new house and set everything and organize everything. These are my cartons packed. Then there's my trolley bags, which is full of clothes. Then there are few cartons which are yet to be packed. And yeah, this carton has my shoes and bags. Then it's full of products. Then this is my stool, which I have done upside down, which is like another idea where I can keep all my stuffs and just cover it with paper on top. Then yeah, these are like so many stuffs out there which I'm yet to pack actually. This is my tripod. It's a very important thing which I need to pack right away. Then this is the bed, which is so messy right now, and it's supposed to get dismantled, and I'm just waiting for Rentomojo people to come and do that. God, I just can't wait to get things sorted as soon as possible. And this is me. So many stuffs you can see which I'm yet to pack. It was actually a struggle to pack everything, get the documents signed, get the house cleaned, get the cartons. I just want to tell you one thing, guys, that if you are moving out, just get everything sorted and clear 2 weeks prior. And if you are packing, just get it packed 3 days prior, because I had a lot of stuff, so I started packing 3 days prior. So just do not forget that. The new house is spacious, and the only issue, not only issue, 2 issues with the house is that they do not have meters, and the washrooms are very small, comparatively small, the one which we are using currently. So we'll manage somehow, but it's spacious. So I'll take you along with me while I move out. Welcome to my new house. So let's show you around. So this is the entrance, and this from here the living room starts. This was what I was talking about. It's spacious, and that's the balcony. And moving towards here, that's the kitchen, which is totally empty because it's not a modular one. Then this is the bedroom. This is my bedroom, and that's the balcony. There's a washroom, and moving towards here, there's a washroom, and this is where I'll keep my clothes. I'm gonna make this my closet room. It's this with the balcony, and then there's another room, which is, I have to find the switchboard. Yeah. So this is the room, and this is the balcony, and it's raining. So finally my entire stuffs are here. Now I can sit back and relax and chill, and slowly I'll start unpacking. So now we're heading towards More Mall to get some essentials. Guys, so today it's day 2, and what I'm gonna do today is I'll try to unpack most of my stuffs, because I'm not sure how much I'm gonna make it, because since I already said the house is unfurnished and it has nothing except for wardrobes. So yes, I'll try to do as much as possible. And since I said that the kitchen is not modular, so I have to order food from outside, and I'm gonna order it from Homely. That's the best home cooked food you can ever have. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys how much I can unpack today. Hey guys, like I was saying that I'll try to unpack as much as possible, but I only unpacked only one bag because I was feeling so lazy. It's raining outside and all I wanted to do is sleep, sleep and only sleep and do nothing. So I tried, but it didn't happen, and then I felt lazy, so I just unpacked only one bag, and that too Kaushik's bag, and all of his clothes are here. So in this room I just told him that here only his outfits will be here, and mine will be in the another room, and the unpacked bag for temporary basis it is in this empty room because for now I know there will be no one to come. And it's raining, though I hate rain, but I just love watching the raindrops from my balcony. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yes, once I'm done setting up my entire house, I'll definitely do a house tour video. So yeah, bye bye.